welcome back. Well, just a couple weeks ago I got back. Well, it's only been a week and a couple of days right now, but I got back from duck camp and then went up to the farmhouse last weekend. And now I'm getting this last stuff unloaded here from duck hunting because in a few days, this following weekend, I'm going to go up to the tent. My dad's going to head up to the Backwoods Cabin. We're going to bring the four-wheeler and the trailer. I think I'm going to haul that up. My dad, I think he's going to haul the log splitter up. I need to get wood put on the front porch of the tent because today is supposed to get into the mid-80s. Yesterday was only got to like 56. Tomorrow's high is only 60, so all of a sudden we got this one poof of warm air, and it doesn't feel like wintertime or deer hunting's coming right now, but it will tomorrow morning. There's a lot of wood that we split last fall that's in the wood pile that can go up on the front porch, but I've got all those big logs sitting to the left of it that need to be split. There's some pine trees that have fallen that I'd like to get cut up and get those split. That's a much better wood to burn in the fire pit or in the early fall anyway when it's not cold yet. So just it's a weekend of work up there that kind of has to be done. My dad also has a great big tree. It's a cottonwood or popple, aspen, whatever you want to call it. It's really tall and it's starting to lean against the cabin, and it might be because it's been so wet this year. Anyway, he's got somebody coming out. He'll be up there a couple days before I am. He's got somebody coming out to take a look at that to help. I don't know if they have to bring in a backhoe to push it the right direction, because right now it's leaning right for his cabin. Or this guy also is a logger. Maybe he has a right idea, on how he can cut it and drop it so it won't hit the building. With all that rice that was on the lake this year, even though the tent is not in any determined duck flyway, if there are times the ducks are coming through and there'll be quite a few ducks on the lake, and other times where there's nothing. So if there are ducks on the lake, I'll definitely go out there and try hunting them. I'll just grab one of my dad's canoes he has up there, and I can use one of them. This old heavy beast, she only comes out once a year, and that's for the opener of duck hunting. My dad's been over here a few days a week. Usually we got all this wood that's cut and in a pile that needed to be split, and he's been splitting it and hauling it over here, getting ready for when he comes out in the winter and uses the workshop. But right now we need to bring all this up north, and then we can bring it back after deer hunting if we want, and still haul more wood if we need it. This trailer is ready to go up to the tent. If I would have been smart, I would have taken the four-wheeler though and used the winch to pull it up into this trailer. I forgot that that's how we usually do it. I'll have to wait till my dad stops by. It takes two people to push it up that short ramp on the back of the trailer. I mean, I've done it myself, but it's really a pain. I think I'll probably have to bring the air compressor down here and put a little bit of air on the tires. They have air, but they feel a little bit low. They're not too bad, but if I put a little bit more air in them, it'll push up that ramp a little bit easier. But I'll get that another day. Still 4 more days till I go up there. Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. We're now just entering into the season of the tent. I mean, there'll be a lot of trips up there. We've still got, well, about 5 weeks, 6 weeks, till about 5 weeks until deer hunting starts. Gonna have to go up there a couple of times before that for sure. And then of course it'll be 3 weekends in a row anyway of deer hunting. I still need to get old Reliable in and get the new heater core put in. Winter is coming fast. I will see you guys on the next video.